Oh my. Alright, so probably another, don't get hit by the missile scenario. Nope, y'all got me once, shame on me. Ah. And we landed. These Tyrannoids look different than they normally do. Oh. Alright, well I know what I need to do. I just don't know if I have the strength to do it. Good for them. Let them. Because I need ammo. I mean, not ammo. I need a level. Oh, damn. Oh, Jesus. I can't take another few hits. Jesus. Say, let me go and look around for some more ammo or something, because that one hurt a little. My God. Jesus. Uh-huh. Alright, cool with that. As long as it hits and I don't have to worry about being shot at, I'm fine with that. Uh-oh. Ow. Ow.
Secured. Let's head back to base and get briefed for the next mission.
That was it. Alright. Use the captured hover ship to drive back the enemy air fleet. Okay. Okay.
Blast those drop ships out of the sky.
To fly the hover ship, use the left analog stick. Press X or L1 to ascend. Square or L2 to descend. Use the right analog stick to aim, and press circle or R1 to fire rockets.
We'll take care of the saucer, Sarge. Keep blasting those dropships.
Alright. That's what you want. I was just trying to be helpful. Come on. These guys take a lot of shots, and I don't like it when they move around so much. Wow, you wanted to come in for a kiss. You can say that again. But all they want me to focus on is these dropships.
These saucer should back off once you take out the last of the dropships.
Oh, I gotta find them. Oh my. They control that half of the island, huh?
Just keep coming. We can't hold out much longer.
You ain't got no damn choice. You can't hold out much longer. Your choices are to either hold out or die.
Alright.
Nice. Let's go ahead. Buy. Oh, there's another one. Oh, the shield glove. It's relatively cheap, so we can probably buy it.
The Tyrannoid base is protected by an impenetrable force field. We're still trying to figure out a way to get past it. In the meantime, Command wants you to take the hover ship and wipe out the Noid forces in the surrounding areas.
Come on, stop dancing with me. Damn, those rockets, they hunt you down. Oh, oh. I should probably be aiming for these rockets. Say, because there's still rockets being fired. I don't want to stay in one place for too long.
Anybody have any idea how we're supposed to shut down this force field? H-26, why don't you try sticking your finger in the main power transformer? You sure that's a good idea, sir? This thing looks pretty dangerous. Suck it up, 26. You got nothing to worry about. I got special training with electronic thingamajiggies. Okay, here goes.
Well, it did not sound like it worked. Or maybe they're waiting for me to take him out for it to work.
H-26 has been vaporized, sir. But the force field has been deactivated. All right. Now Trooper deserves a bit. Complete your mission and report back to base for briefing.
Alright. It was just waiting for me to take out that last guy. It's gonna take a while for me to get that, all that. Just, it is a foot battle.
Trust me, Sarge. This one's gonna be a cakewalk.
Huh. That's not what I thought it was.
These Noids don't have the run for your lives! Noids are bringing in reinforcements by air!
I thought that's why we took out their air forces. Hey.
The nitro has a wider blast radius and simultaneously launches a volley of energy missiles with each shot.
Alright. I don't know where they're incoming from, but say they got help that I need. I mean, you mean they're probably waiting for us at the bridge? It's like a last line of defense kind of thing, you know?
This is it, ladies. Move in and wipe her down.
Uh-oh. Okay, that was weird. I thought it was going to kick me off the game. That's really strange. I wonder why it did that. I would appreciate it if you focused on the turret. Thank you. There we go. Now we can focus on these tiny guys. There should be, yep, one more guy left. Yeah, so.
Mission accomplished. We are now in complete control of Cabo Island.
Nice. That's 1 through 4. Nice. Alright. I was about to say, what's happening here? Alright. But it's just time to go back. Starship Phoenix. Onward and upward!
It was the biggest Tyrannoid you've ever seen. Big as a star cruiser and packing twice as much firepower. There was no escape. He was coming right at me. Closer, closer. Oh, what am I gonna do, right? Closer, even closer. Click, click. My blaster jammed.
No way! What happened next?
Yes, go on. We're all riveted.
So, this is the mighty Q-Force I've heard so much about. Pathetic! I could obliterate the lot of you, and they wouldn't even mention it in Supervillain Weekly.
True, sir, but you'll have done the fashion world an enormous service.
And as for you, Agent Clank, I have far grander plans for you. All right, Lawrence, you can turn it off now.
Oh, may I, sir? What a treat.
Al, come in.
Yellow.
Someone just transmitted a hologram onto the ship. I need to know where the signal came from.
Let's see. Backtracing the signal. Six-path alpha key encryption? Amateurs. I got it. It came from a facility on planet Dax. Accessing their computer files.
Planet Dax?
Aha! I found something suspicious. Patching it through now.
Tonight, we take a journey inside the enigmatic mind of our galaxy's foremost evil genius, Dr. Nefarious. We'll take a tour of this secret facility on planet Dax, home to some of the galaxy's most insidious superweapons, including the dreaded Rainbow Afrolyzer. Dr. Nefarious, we've all enjoyed your past work, but how do you respond to critics who say your latest galactic schemes are just more of the same?
I will annihilate them!
Lawrence, tell us a bit about this top-secret superweapon being constructed on planet Dax.
Well, super is such a strong word. For that matter, weapon may be a tad overdoing it. We do, however, have a lovely view of the ocean at sunset.
Is Dr. Nefarious poised on the brink of galactic domination, or is this super weapon just the latest in a series of maniacal pipe dreams? Stay tuned for more from Supervillain Weekly.
Whatever Nefarious is doing on Dax, it can't be good.
We'll check it out.
You're welcome.
Right then. We're just gonna do this without...
So, you've come back to disgrace my training course once again, hmm?
Actually, we were hoping we could just pick up the gadgets and split.
We have a spaceship to catch.
Ha! You slackers are always looking for the easy way out. When you can pass the course, you can have the device.
Of course. Come on. VR gadget training. Oh, everything else is...
Those platforms can be activated with the... The green object is a hypershot target. Press and hold circle to connect to the...
That hacker is...
Oh, the hacker is one of those? I don't have to equip it?
Press square to collect the green code snippets. Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
Alright, X on these, square on these. Alright, good. I don't have to tractor beam to pull it all the way up to move. Alright, that's... I don't remember that one. That's a unique little one. Where is she talking to me from?
Press square to collect the green code snippets. Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
I was about to say, do I fail if I let one
Press
pass?
square
Yes.
to collect the green code snippets. Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
Hey! Not, responding well. Man, this is, I didn't think it was gonna be difficult, but I guess...
Press square to collect the green code snippets. Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
In other words, this is more of a just destroy the red, get the green where you can. Ooh. Yeah, that gets hairy. I'm talking about it. I gotta really focus on it.
That was okay, I guess.
Oh, it's not the first time we've run through one of her training courses. Alright, one more. 3-stager.
Press square to collect the green code snippets. Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
Boink, 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 boink. Alright, round 3. Nice.
Ha! That was pathetic!
But I did it.
Alrighty, we'll just take those gadgets and be on our way.
Oh yeah, the little man is cocky now. Ho, ho, ho. Maybe you'd like to meet Helga on the wrestling mat, hmm? We'll see how cocky you are, twisted up like a wet noodle.
Maybe next time.
Pansies!
Does that unlock more, thing? No. No, it did not. It's worth looking, I think.
I'd like everyone to congratulate Scrun.
I don't know who was congratulating, but congratulations.
Al here. The DAX facility has 2 high-security computer terminals. My information indicates that one of them is somewhere out in the islands. The other one is inside the main building.
Uh-huh. Ain't gonna take me down that easily. Alright, so another tropical island. Let's say I just can't reach that guy, so. Alright, there's one. Alright, while he's reloading. Uh-oh. As long as I don't have to worry too much about them, I'm fine. But he was in a unfortunate spot. Alright. Bunch of cannon fodder. Come on, dude. How are you gonna post yourself above my head? Alright, well, this ain't working. Butthole. All of y'all. Great. Hey, are those grind foods?
Double tap R1 to blast off with the charge boots.
Buy all the ammo. Where they made it so that way it automatically uses it. You don't have to switch to it. But say, is this I have to? Okay, it was not a I have to destroy that. It's a I have to get the hell out of Dodge. I like continue points. Oh. I'm about to say, well, I wonder if I can swim down here. And that was answered very quickly. I didn't even touch the water. Wow. Alright, alright. Oh, does he only fire onto these platforms? Oh my. Nice. Where's this go? To the ship. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Alright, well, he's not doing the laser thing again either. There it goes. I did it way too early.
The Flux Rifle is an excellent weapon for sniping. To enter sniper mode, equip the Flux Rifle and press L1. Use R1 and R2 to zoom your view in and out.
I'm good. Hey, that leveled it up quick. That up though. Shame. Works for me.
Check it out. Looks like somebody's a big fan of Courtney Gears.
Courtney who?
Come on, remember that bombshell handing out prizes on Annihilation Nation?
Ah, yes. Her specifications were remarkable.
Yeah, well, she's not the hottest pop star in the galaxy because of her singing.
That is odd. It appears this computer was recently used to edit one of her music videos.
Oh, let's watch it! I mean, you know, it may contain a clue or something.
Yeah, what's up, people? It's Courtney Gears. Are you feeling me, robots? I'm feeling you. I see the future, and what do I see? Robots going crazy across the galaxy. Can't stand organics, they're soft and squishy. The time is now, where robots must be free. You wanna be free? Then shout with me, yeah! This goes out to all you robots across the galaxy. It's time for you and me to rise up and strike back. Don't stop until we dominate. Won't you feel great when we exterminate all organic life?
Miss Gears may be in league with Dr. Nefarious.
Yeah, who knew? She always seems so sweet and innocent in her videos. Well, except for that one with the... You know...
She might possess information about what Nefarious is planning.
Oh, right. And if we win that grand prize on Annihilation Nation, we'll get another chance to talk to her.
Okay. Oh, that was an amusing thing to look at. The entire thing was amusing to watch. Matter of fact, the little scene with the Canadian faces, like from South Park, where it was like the edited video piece, that for whatever reason really reminded me of a person I used to watch. I still watch their stuff now, but they make their own music, and they're called Your Favorite Martian. They are some of the best, funniest music that I've seen in a long time. But I got into them when I was much, much younger. Probably younger than I should have. And they put out some really good, but nowadays I would say it's questionable things. No, not getting any ammo. There we go.
Congratulations.
Of Agents of Doom, Spitting Hydra.
JX34 on his promotion to Cuba first class.
Alright. I just needed something to do damage, but that was not the best thing to use, it seems. It's a very charged weapon. That's why it's a Spitting Hydra. You know, focuses on multiple enemies. Yeah, not entirely surprising about that. Oh, I was just trying to switch to the what was that, 60 store. I should have just, you know, switched over to it immediately. But bad habits die hard. It's not like the movie. I would appreciate it if you locked on to the guy that we're fighting.
Sector 8 for immediate execution.
Immediate execution. What's happening? Not gonna lie, that song is actually stuck in my head. Oh, come on. I ain't got time for you, man. Yeah. Yeah. This is gonna be it. Yep. This is a nice long stretch without too much help, is what I'll say. I mean, if I wanted to, I know I can get through with just the Nitro Eruptor, the bomb glove. And trying to only use it on these bigger guys, because I know it'll be a one-shot kill. Then this gun is about to be maxed out, so we're gonna have to at least try the upgrade. Dude. Jesus. Let's see if I can't take him out with this. I might have. Hey. V2. Say, let's go to Electric Avenue. That was a nice little one to have. I actually was, trying to go this way. There we go. We got an extra point of interest. Alright. Hey, hey! pushing buttons, but nothing's happening. I like buttons and nothing happens. What? Okay. I don't understand why that happened the way that it did. I mean, on my screen, it sounded like it popped. No, wasn't even paying attention this time. Will you do what I tell you to? I'm telling it to move, like, and it's not moving. I'm telling it to fire, and it's not firing. Yeah, I had to hit X 3 times just now. I mean, what is happening? Twice. And I hit it. I'm hitting X. What is happening? Is there like a fire gauge that I'm not aware of? No. Come on. Come on, move and fire. Fire! I said fire! It's not firing. Yeah, that was on me. I tried to rush the end there. Come on. At least it let me continue from the second stage.
A career in the exciting field of building security, execution, or VCR repair. This is job fair on level 2. Security breach in sector 5. All units respond.
So there's nothing over here then. Okay. That makes me feel better.
Warning. Intruder detected in sector 3. All units shoot to kill.
Pretty sure he killed himself. Another one already? I mean, let's not go over the fact that it's not... I don't understand. Am I supposed to be going up and down and it's not left and right? Up and down doesn't do anything. It's not responding when I'm telling it to fire or... Ah. Mm-hmm. Come on! I wasn't going to be able to do those. See how the RNG can favor you sometimes?
Intruder detected in Sector 9. All units terminate with extreme prejudice.
What? Throw out some Agents of Doom as well. Uh-oh. I don't want to take the chance. I'd rather just go ahead and not worry about it. Alright, back to the hacker. Again. One. I didn't realize that it went up to 15 either. I was like, I should have been at 10. Wee. Oh, that was the last one too. Nice.
This terminal should give us high-level access to all of Nefarious's project files. I found something. I am afraid it does not look good.
Bio-obliterator? Huh. I see what you mean. What exactly does it do?
That information has been deleted.
Uh-oh. Well, where is this thing?
Location unknown. However, a large transport vessel left this facility yesterday. It was headed for the Obani moon system.
The Obani moons, huh? Well, we better check it out.
By order of Dr. Nefarious, Casual Fridays have been cancelled indefinitely.
Indefinitely. Alright, well, we made a significant amount of progress. I hate to be this way, but I'm gonna have to cut it a little earlier than normal, and it might be like that for a while. It's very cold, so my fingers are getting very frosty, making it hard to play the game. So I'll at least be back tomorrow for sure, but I need to go and thaw out my fingers. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And for those of you on Twitch, follow so that way you can get notifications when I go live on Twitch. So, alright guys, see you all in the next episode. Bye.